morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new kit. It's called A Very Vintage Christmas and it's the first of our Christmas releases we'll be doing this year and I can't wait to show you. So as it said, it has in its title, it has got a very vintage feel and I'll go through all the papers first. This one is called It's a Wonderful Life. It's got the little vintage Santa there and that's the back. These are great for fussy cutting. This one here is called Joy to the World. Cute little vintage emperor there, and this is the back, and these are great for our tiny houses, which I'm going to share with you very shortly. This one is Feliz Navidad, a beautiful background, and that's the back. This one here is Meet Me Under the Mistletoe and a dot on the back. This one is A Merry Little Christmas and it's got the cute frames and a very vintage one on the back. This one is Dashing Through the Snow and we've got all these vintage postcards and all the vintage frames down the bottom. Wood grain on the back. This one is Better Not Pout and these are great for card fronts. Create some beautiful cards for Christmas. And the B side, this one is also great for our tiny houses, which I'll show you shortly. This one is Silver Bells, beautiful fussy cutting one. And that's the B side. And I'm going to show you some of the layouts. I thought I'd do that first so I don't forget. Some of the beautiful layouts our design team have made. They are very talented, super cute. I love it when people scrap their animals. Gorgeous vintage feel to it, and there are lots of beautiful cards made with this as well. This is the one with the frames on it. Oh, such a sweet little beba. This is one of the add-on dies. I should tell you that now actually. This Merry Christmas one here, this is one of the dies that you can add on. And the DT have used it a lot through their scrapbooking. The burlap and the corrugated and the cork goes really well with this. And the last one. So this is one of the add-on dies. It's a Modern Merry Christmas. And the other add-on die we've got this month is this one here. It's our bonbon die, and this makes a full-size bonbon. So I just made a quick little reel with that, which I'll share. If you jump on our Instagram, you will see the reel. But this is the size of it, so it's decent. It fits in my hands. It's super easy to make. You literally just pop these out. So I haven't glued anything on here. So this is this, and you just fold it on the score lines and it makes up a very fun bonbon. We have two lots of creative cuts. So these are our regular creative cuts and these are our mixed creative cuts. In our mixed creative cuts, we've got a whole bunch of these gold foil Merry Christmases. We've got a whole bunch of numbers. Hang on one second. There you go. So you've got numbers if you want to make an advent or you're going to do like a December album. They're really great for that. Also, and there's also vellum in the background as well. So this is mixed of cardboard, foil and vellum. This is our laser cut. It's got these gorgeous wooden hollies. This is our vintage Christmas trinket mix. Now we don't have a whole bunch of these on the website for launch today, but we do have more coming and they'll be here in about 2 weeks. So don't worry if you miss out, there is more on the way. Gorgeous little charms and some string, and I'll show you how I've used these shortly. I have used them with this. So this is a sweet little, something different that we're releasing at Christmas time. These are our tiny house laser cuts. So there's a whole bunch of them and I'll show you what they make in just 1 second. So you're gonna be able to make yourself a gorgeous little Christmas village, and this is a tiny house accessories die and it's got lots of accessories in there you can cut out, and let me show you my village. So these are all my little tiny houses. As you can see, they're these gorgeous little houses. That's some of the of that gorgeous string from the trinket mix. This one here's got a little charm on it, and I have just decorated these with the paper. Now there is another little YouTube clip, go and watch it, and I'll teach you how to make these houses. So that's that paper I was telling you about that was in there, the little bricks, and this is the wood grain on the roof. But aren't these just the sweetest? So with this die, we've got the fretwork across the top and on the side there, and we've got this one here. And depending which way you make up your house, so this way I put the roof on so it's got no eaves, and this way I put the roof on so it does have eaves. So these are really cute. I'm gonna get some little trees from Kmart and make a whole little Christmas scene with them. and you can buy them in a set. So this is a set. In the set you get all 4 laser cuts, a Christmas trinket mix, and this die. You could get the set or you can buy them individually. So set 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is our tiny houses. Okay, some other things that we have available this month, we've now released, ready for Christmas, is all of our foil and our glitter. So it comes in rose gold, silver, gold, red and green in the glitter. And of course, rose gold, silver, gold, red and green in the mirror foil as well. This is our very vintage Christmas cardstock bundle. I'll show you the colours in that. These are the colours you get: 2 of the Christmas, 2 cappuccino cream, 2 eucalyptus, 2 meadow and 2 of our watercolour cardstock. Obviously the magazine will come in the kit, that's available too, full of all your layout ideas in the front and your beautiful card making ideas in the back. And 3 cut apart. So this is our mini cut apart, great for card making. This is our watercolour cut apart, colour this in with all your water soluble mediums. And this is our regular cut apart sheet. So that's all the things we're releasing. Let me quickly show you the kits. So the card making kit, this is the very vintage Christmas card making kit that we'll be releasing on the 5th. These are the cards that you can make with that kit. So they are very cute. A little fun one there. So very fun vintage cards. If you are waiting to get the kit, this is what is in it. So we have got the very vintage Christmas trinket mix, some red pearls, our mixed creative cuts, our regular creative cuts, some of our lace doilies, some rectangle card and envelopes to get you going on your Christmas cards, our twinkly star stencil, our laser cut, the magazine. We've got our watercolour cut apart and our regular cut apart in there. We have got some burlap, some of our Christmas cardstock, and this is our collection pack. So that's everything. The kit's going to be available on the 5th. All of our Christmas stuff is now available on the website, except the kits, they'll be up on the 5th. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and we'll be back with more very soon. Bye.